Are you ready to have some fun and test your spelling skills today? This is the place where you'll not only improve your spelling, but also enjoy some exciting challenges along the way. If you want to be a spelling champ, you've come to the right spot. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to get started, and subscribe to join our awesome learning squad. So let's get those brains buzzing. Ready? Let's dive into the quiz. Can you spell W-E-A blank H-E-R? It's T. Nice job if you got it right. You're really on a roll. How about S-C-H blank O-L? It's O. Well done. You nailed it. What's the correct spelling for L-I blank T-L-E? It's T. Great work. Keep going strong. Which letter goes in the blank? It's W. You're doing awesome. What's the spelling for H-E-A blank T-H-Y? It's T. Amazing. You got it. What letter completes this word? It's I. Well done. You're really shining today. How do you spell L-I-B-R-A-R blank? It's Y. Nice work. You're on fire. How do you spell P-E-N blank I-L? It's C. Great job. You're acing this. What's the right spelling for A-N-I blank M-L? It's A. Well done. You're a spelling master. Can you spell M-A blank E-T? It's K. Awesome. You're really good at this. How about S-T-O-R blank? It's Y. Keep up the fantastic work. What's the correct spelling for S-C-I-E-N blank E? It's C. You're doing amazing. Can you spell H-O-L blank D-A-Y? It's I. Great job. You're really on top of it. How about E-N-E-R blank Y? It's G. Well done. You're acing this quiz. How do you spell M blank D-D-L-E? It's I. You're doing great! Can you spell F-R-I blank N-D-L-Y? It's E. Amazing work! You're on fire! How about M-O-M blank E-N-T? It's E. You're really killing this quiz. What's the missing letter in this word? It's I. Awesome! You're spelling like a pro! How do you fill in the blank for this word? It's you. Keep it up. You're doing fantastic. Can you spell C-O-L blank R? It's O. You're a spelling superstar. And that's a wrap for today's spelling challenge. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you had fun, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another super fun quiz. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends. The more, the merrier. Let's make learning fun together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.